So this is today's look. Today is Thursday, so I hope that you're having a fantastic and lovely Thursday. Look at my highlight, guys. Bam, 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 bam. I mean, like, I am glowing today. Glowing. If you guys would like to see how I achieved this look and honestly what highlight I have on here today, I suggest that you continue watching this video. Make sure to hit that bell notification, that thumbs up button, and that subscribe button. Leave a comment, let me know what you guys think of today's video. So I'll see you guys in Monday's video, and until then, bye guys. Okay guys, so today's look is actually fairly really simple. It's just a 2-palette look because I can't find the color that I want in the same palette. So you'll see what I'm talking about. But we're just gonna be applying tape to our edge because I want this makeup to be very sharp, and then we're prepping the lids with the EYELINERS Pro HD concealer in the shade Fawn. Okay guys, so now that our lids are prepped, we're going into the Nubian 2 by Juvias Place. I have not used this palette in so long, so I'm trying to show it some love. And we're going into this beautiful sand shade right here, almost deserty. The name of this shade is Morocco. And we're going to be taking that as our first transition color, applying it, patting it into the crease, and then blending our way up to our brow bone. Guys, now that I have packed the color into my crease, please know that I am not going back into any product from the palette. I'm using the brush as is, and I'm taking the product that I packed into my crease and working my way up. If I do happen to need more product, like literally guys, the slightest the slightest touch like that, like little bits, and I will gently pack it on using the edge and diffuse it to go all the way up into my brow bone. Okay guys, so now that we have diffused that blend, we're going back into the same palette again, and we're going into this nice shade right here, Kenya. As you guys can see, this is one of my favorite shades on the palette. It's literally almost done. I'll have to order does this come in single pan? I don't know if this comes in single pan, but I'll literally buy this palette again just to have this color. But we're gonna go in with this color Kenya with my Morphe M506 brush, and we're gonna pack that into our crease again and gently work our way up to get a nice diffused transition. Okay guys, so far so simple, right? So now we're just gonna cut our crease with the same EYELINERS HD Pro concealer in the shade Fawn, my normal concealer brush, and we're going to be doing a semi cut crease. I feel like I should do an elongated cut crease, but don't want to get carried away. I want to stick to the plan that I said I was doing, and that was a semi cut crease again before the arch of my eyebrow is where I'll be stopping. Okay guys, so since we're already using this palette, I want to make this one palette tutorial instead of going in with the, I wanted to go in with the festival after and use this, excuse me, and use this shade right here. But I'm thinking, since you know it's already gold, it's already dark colors per se, I will stick to the Juvias Place, the Nubian 2 by Juvias Place, and I'm gonna go in with this color right here, Nairobi. Guys, see how that gold is popping? I mean, look at it for a second. Let's just take it in, because honestly, I am glad I didn't go into the festival palette, because like I am sleeping on Nairobi. Nairobi is look at it. Thank you very much. So we're just going back in with the same Morphe M506 brush. We're going back into the shade Kenya. I don't know if you guys can see, I left a little bit of space out, like right there in the corners. So now we're just gonna swirl my brush in the shade Kenya and diffuse the edges of my cut crease. Okay, so now our cut crease has been diffused, we're going in with my all-time favorite Ruby Kisses liquid eyeliner in shade Black is Black, and we're gonna create a really nice, dramatic, but not overly dramatic, just a nice, fierce wing, a wing sharp enough to cut out. Okay. So now that our winged eyeliner is there, we're going under the eyes with the Absolute New York pencil in the shade Black, and we're going to use that to line under our eye. Honestly, I love the Absolute New York pencil so much. It's like butter. Normally when I line under my eyes, like behind camera, I'm like, oh, okay, don't cry, oh, okay, don't cry. But for some reason with this, it doesn't affect my eyes in either kind of way. Maybe I just get accustomed to putting color under my eyes now. But with this, guys, it's like gel. It's like so smooth, like so smooth. Actually, before I move on to anything else, I really feel like the eyes are missing something. Now this will either, like, you know, carry the look to like Vavaroom or bring the look down to like shit. So I either want to line the eyes with the LA Colors Chrome Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Liquid Gold, or the same LA Colors Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Rose Gold. So like I feel in the rose gold because this is already gold and I don't want to overdo it. So I feel like I'm just gonna line the top of my eyes slightly with the rose gold from LA Colors. Guys, now I feel like that did something, right? I mean, without, I feel in it. I don't know about you. I really can't say about you, but I'm feeling it. Okay, thank you very much. Okay. You guys already know the drill. My J Lash, and I say glitter glue. This is not glitter glue. My J Lash eyelash glue and my J Lash lashes. Guys, as I'm doing this, I realized that I forget to prime my skin, and you guys didn't even remind me. So I mean, like, what's really good? But that's okay. I'll just like really pack on the powder today because plus I'm not going far. So if my foundation look like a little bit off, I really don't care if people shoo. You could shoo all the one because my eyeshadow is popping, hunty. It is popping. Okay guys, so again realize that I barely put foundation here because I'm going in with my Elegant HD Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to apply under my eyes, my normal Beach Cosmetics 115 brush. Guys, I've been trying to find my small beauty blender that I bought specifically for under the eyes because I don't like to use the big ones because I'm not like a beauty blender person per se, and I can't find it anywhere, not one place. You guys always know in every video I always used to check out banana powder, but sometimes off camera I use the Sasha Cosmetics just made that worse. Okay, I use the Sasha Cosmetics Buttercup powder, but the cover is off because I already poured some in cover to apply. But just know that if I don't always show my under eye setting powder in a video, it's like 99.9% sure that it's the Jacob banana powder. You catch my drift. Okay guys, so to smoke out under my eyes, I'm just going back into the Juvias place, the Nubian 2 Juvias place. I'm going back into the shade Kenya, my normal Ambrosia Cosmetics shader brush, and I'm just gonna smoke out our lower lash line. Do you guys think that I should put some glitter on my bottom eyes, like under my eye, under my waterline? I feel like, so what I'm thinking so far is that I want to go in with the All About That base by J Cat glitter base, and I want to go in with a J Cat glitter, of course, you know, hand in hand. And this one is Gold Road, the one that I used in my previous video. I feel like that's it. It's calling my name, it's speaking to me, and I'm about to answer. Okay guys, so what do you think? Do you guys like the glitter? I like it. I find it's honestly different. I've never put glitter under my, have I put glitter under my eyes before? I don't think that I have on camera, but I like it. I do. So for the lips, I'm feeling ombre again, but I hope this vision of the ombre lip that I am seeing in my head comes out the way that I want it to be. So this is just the Jordana Sweet Cream Matte lipstick, and this is just the CQC by Mo. So I'm gonna put the Jordana to line my lips, and then the CQC in the middle. Guys, this is already, I could feel it in my soul that this is not going to come out the way that I have it in my head. But am I going to change it on camera even if it looks terrible? No, I'm not. Okay guys, so since my last clip, the struggle has been real. I'm not even going to show you how the lips turned out. Like, I'm not about to talk about it. So you see this right here? Ignore it, because how do people do lip swatches without ruining their entire makeup? Like, do I need to take some kind of beauty guru level up to understand this? Because it's a hot mess. But we're going into this palette again. We're going into the shade Zuri with my highlight brush, and that's what we're going to be using as highlight today. Guys, to reapply my molds, I'm using the New York Absolute Super Slim Point Fine Actually, this is the brow pencil, because that's the first thing my eyes landed on, and I was trying to find my Ruby Kisses liquid eyeliner, but it playing hide and seek, and I'm not in the mood to find anything today. Not today, boo boo, not today. Isn't that highlight blinding, boo boo? Blinding, okay. But I thank you guys so much for making it towards the end of this video. Since you're already here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn on your, this is a bell? I feel like that's a bell. Turn on your bell notifications, leave a comment, share the video with a friend, let me know your thoughts and your feedback. I hope that you guys are having a fantastic Thursday afternoon, and I shall see you guys in Monday's video. So until then, bye guys.